All right, this is another 44-inch Hunter Bartlett ceiling fan. This is installed in the upstairs bedroom at the house that we are remodeling. This room had no fans in it before. It had a bunch of can lights, kind of like these over here. If you guys remember when I did the tour, this was a door right here, and there were stairs out here, but we closed all this up. And if you remember in the video, I looked in the door because it was locked into this room, and the ceilings are lower in here than the other part because I did have to put this ramp right here, as you can see, because for some reason, because this is the room addition to the house, and for some reason when they did the room addition, they made the floor higher than that floor. So that's why it's hanging down a little lower than that one and the other one in the other room there. So yeah, I guess I'll start the demonstration of it now. Yeah, the ceilings were too low for a fan in here, but you know, it's a bedroom, it needs a ceiling fan anyway, no matter how low the ceiling is. Here's low. These things are pretty underpowered. They're definitely slower than the Anteros, but again, these are all hanging down pretty low, so you know, you can still feel air from them, even though they're not the fastest in the world. Feel a little bit of air from it, just a little bit. Here's medium. Little humming noise to it. A little wobble to it. Nothing too bad though. Fast on high speed though. It's real slow on low speed, but it's pretty fast on high speed. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.